GMT sort of rose 36.35% in 7 days, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bull controlled GMT's truly current cost activities, which for the most part is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN really is floating at $346,717,663, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Current STEPN cost certainly is $0.2902 September 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible. Truly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for STEPN. All things considered, is GMT a generally excellent speculation, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is very huge. Yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the GMT specialized examination, essentially let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,044,536,289,332 in an unobtrusive manner. The very complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,925,801,445, showing how bull-controlled GMT's for the most part current cost activities, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how genuinely current STEPN cost truly is $0.2902 September 2023. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts. What all things considered is essentially momentary cost expectation for STEPN, in a real sense, is GMT an essentially wise speculation, which truly is very huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.59%, coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time span, or so they basically thought. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.14 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in a very descending heading for kind of momentary in a genuinely large manner. Right now, a fundamentally broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they certainly thought. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a huge way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further in an exceptionally significant manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors really become move kind of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, explicitly is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week. Further appearance how Stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to by and large recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC, especially, is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while certainly all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how certainly current STEPN cost generally is $0.2902 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is genuinely transient cost expectation for STEPN? Essentially, is GMT a fundamentally wise venture? Or so they in a real sense thought. They're fundamentally or very nearly 1,104,192,453 essentially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, exhibiting how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,044,536,289,332, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Investigation GMT Cost Examination for 02 September 2023, insight and especially everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath. So bull-controlled GMTs, especially current cost activities, which most certainly is very critical. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to especially investigate the future development of the STEPN. Or so they by and large thought. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 37, which especially shows that especially current STEPN cost in every practical sense is $0.2902 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified some things, facts. What really is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN? Truly is GMT a sort of wise venture, which basically is very huge. While GMT's Williams % R marker in a real sense is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, especially signal truly is certainly conceivable at this reach, showing how market examination over the genuinely